So an app allows you to kind of ask questions, and they're if questions. Else means kind of otherwise, right? And you can also do else if, so in this little diagram, it's saying just think of A and B as some condition, some Boolean, true, false thing, like is the background color red, something like that. But you can ask essentially any question in your app. And in this case, under what conditions of A and B will operation 2 and 3 occur? So let's think kind of generically about some code. And so we know operation 1 is only going to happen if A is true. Okay. Now the second branch, right, operation 2, we know B must be true, but really that operation 2 is only going to be performed if A is false and B is true. And that's kind of fundamental to how this kind of if else if works, right? You only ask the second question. You only ask B if A was false. Because if A was true, you do operation 1 and then you go along your merry way. Okay. But so the short answer is operation 2 will be executed if A is true and if A is false and B is true. And then finally, the catch-all, the else, operation 3 in this little, diagram, that's only going to happen if both A and B are both false. Okay, so if the two conditions you ask about are false, then when you get to the catch-all else, it's going to do that final operation. And so operation 2 will be performed if A is false and B true, and operation 3 if A and B are both false.